When it comes to production for an individual store, there's two ways we can do it. We can do on demand, we get orders out as quickly as possible as they come in, or we do batch production. We strategically are going to gather orders and then we're going to fulfill them all at once. Now, don't get too caught up on, hey, we've got to communicate that we're doing batch production to the customer, or I have to be screen printing to do batch production. That's really not the case. It's an internal decision to be more strategic and efficient. Now, to make this a thing, select the site you want to configure, come into Administration, Production Options. By default, stores will be an on-demand production. Orders will automatically flow into Business Hub as they are placed from that store, until we come in here and enable batch production for the site and then select that the production is held up until a specific date. So that's putting the orders in a holding pattern and then automatically having them get pushed once that date hits. Or you can have them be put in that holding pattern and nothing happens until you do something. Or we can have them go straight into production, which at this point doesn't really make sense because that's on demand. Most shops are going to put them in that holding pattern. I don't want to, even think about production until we turn off that batch of accepting orders. That way we can be as strategic as possible. Now, after you do this, do know that things change in Business Hub. And you can do this after launching a site. So maybe you launch a site and then you realize, oh my, I should have put this in batch production. Well, guess what? You can. And all those orders that have already been placed by customers can be treated as a batch, which is very powerful. So if I come in here to Business Hub and I come into Batch Stores, this is where I can select the store that is in batch production. And then I can raise a purchase order as a batch. I can download one batch production worksheet. Batches allow us to be more efficient from a production standpoint, often even ordering the blanks. If you have any questions on how to put a store into batch production mode and what batch production is compared to print on demand, simply visit DecoNetwork support resources or visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.